Hi everyone! So in this video, I will show you how to find out the measures of variability such as mean, median, mode, and measures of central tendency such as range, quartiles, variance, and standard deviation using two ways, manual and using Excel. Okay, let's start. The first thing we have to do is open the data. We should make sure all the numbers are in one column and nothing is missing. Next, copy the data and sort it from the smallest number to the largest number. You can just right-click the data, click sort, then choose sort smallest to largest, and Excel will arrange the numbers in order for you. After sorting the data, copy the ordered list and paste it into another column. Then, go to the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates, and Excel will remove the repeated numbers for you. Now, let's insert the table. I will make two tables. This is how to make an automatic table, and this is the first one table, and it's for other patterns. And you can also adjust the colors. Okay, because the first table is done, let's move to the second table. For this table, I use it for measures of variability and measures of central tendency. And for this one, I use manual way. Just adjust everything on the table, like color, font. Next, fill in the first table. Type the first number, then move your mouse to the small plus sign at the bottom right of the cell. Drag it down, click the small icon that appears and choose Fill Series, and Excel will fill the numbers automatically for you. For the score, just copy the sorted data without duplicates and paste it into the table. Yes, no need to type it again. Next, we are going to find the frequency of each data. Click the first cell in the frequency column, type equals, countif, open bracket, highlight all the original data, semicolon, click the score you want to count, close bracket, then press enter. Next, we will calculate x times f. This means the score multiplied by the frequency. First, click the equals, then the first score, type the little star, and the first frequency. Last, press enter. Next, we need to add one more row at the bottom for the total. Then, in that row, insert the sigma symbol to show the total sum. And we will calculate the total for each column. For the total, click the cell in the total row, type equals, sum, open bracket, highlight all the numbers in that column, close bracket, press enter. Before we fill the other columns, we need to find the mean first. For the manual way, click equals, open bracket, add all the data one by one, close bracket, then divide it by the total of frequency. Here it's 25. For the Excel way, type equals, average, open bracket, highlight all the data, close bracket, then press enter. Now let's find the next column, which is x minus mean. So click the first cell in the column, type equals, first score, type minus, and mean. Then press enter. But for the next row, it's not the right answer, so we will do something. We should type $sign before the column letter and before the row number, like this. And for the x minus mean squared, we can find it out by type equals, click the x minus mean, and type the little star, and click the x minus mean again, and enter. And last, for the first table, we're gonna find f x minus mean squared. We can find it out by type equals, click the frequency, type the little star, click the x minus mean squared, and enter. Because the total of each column is kinda error, we should drag it to the right, so the total is right. Yay, the first table is done. Let's move to the second table. For the measures of variability, we have already found the mean. Now it's time to find out the median and mode. You guys should remember that median is a middle value. First, we can find the median using manual way. So the total data is 25 numbers, and we should find the middle one, which is number 13, and it's 138. And for the actual one, we can find it out by type equals, median, open bracket, highlight all the data, close bracket, and enter. Last, for the measures of variability is mode. Mode is the value that appears the most. And manual way, we can look at the frequency and see which number shows up the most. And in Excel way, we can type equals mode.single, open bracket, highlight all the data, close bracket, and enter. Now we're gonna find the measures of central tendency, starting with range. Range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. In manual way, we can type equal, the max number, minus the mean number, and enter. For the Excel way, we can type equal, max, open bracket, click the highest number, close bracket, minus, mean, open bracket, click the lowest number, close bracket, and press enter. Next, we're gonna find out quartiles. Quartiles are values that divide the data into some equal parts. To find the position of quartile 1 and manual way, we use this formula. After we get the position, we find that number in the ordered data. It's also the same for the quartile 2 and the quartile 3. In Excel way, it's much easier. Just type equal quartile dot inc open bracket all the data and semicolon, and type the number of quartile and then close bracket and enter. Next, let's find out variance. Variance is how spread out the data is from the mean. We can find it manual and Excel. By the way, if you think that the number is too much, we can decrease the number. Last, from the measures of central tendency, is we are gonna find out standard deviation. It is the square root of variance. It shows how far the data spreads from the mean. Finally, we can insert the chart. First, block the score and the frequency. Then go to Insert, click Chart, choose the chart you want, and the Excel will create it automatically for you. I think that's all for my tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy and understand it. Thank you and see you.